Piltobo, 2-year-old finish. Under his own restless heart. Pass to begin rushing up Istabel. Moving up down on the inside is Ella Enjoy running by the Hourglass, Fierce and Fiery rushing up from the outside. Perfectionist. While Muralla is running at the tail of the field. Restless Heart. Fierce and Fiery. Ella Enjoy is running by the rail. Perfectionist racing forward by a length and up by the rail. And racing impeded by some 3 lengths is entry number 1 Hourglass alongside Istabel and Muralla. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Restless Heart by 2 lengths followed by Fierce and Fiery. Perfectionist is running in third by the rail and racing forward by some 3 lengths Ella Enjoy, Tabel, Hourglass and Muralla. Passing the half-mile post, Restless Heart, Fierce and Fiery on the outside, Perfectionist running by the rail, Ella Enjoy, Tabel racing on the outside, Muralla and Hourglass. Rounding the far turn, Restless Heart, Fierce and Fiery on the outside, running by the rail, Perfectionist, Ella Enjoy once again getting closer in for Tabel, Hourglass and Muralla. As they race the last 450, Restless Heart back to 2 lengths lead. Fierce and Fiery is running by the rail, Perfectionist, and on the outside is Ella Enjoy. That's 150 meters more to run. Restless Heart increasing its marker to about 5 lengths and nearing the finish line, coming home from A to C. Restless Heart with Apoy Asuncion. Second, Ella Enjoy, Fierce and Fiery, Tabel, Perfectionist, Hourglass, and Muralla comes last.